Hey everyone! You know how trading stocks can sometimes feel like a roller coaster ride at an amusement park? Well, it's time to upgrade to first class with OVTLYR. Whether you're a newbie to the stock market or a seasoned investor, the complexity of trading can be daunting for all. But here's a game changer, an AI-powered platform that simplifies trading with clear buy and sell signals. Let's look into the OVTLYR lifetime deal and see how it transforms the trading experience. What is OVTLYR? OVTLYR is not just any trading assistant. It's like having a crystal ball for the stock market, thanks to its advanced AI. This platform provides straightforward buy and sell signals for over 1,600 stocks and ETFs. Just type in the ticker and boom, you're ready to trade like a pro! It's designed for everyone, whether you're a freelance consultant, a C-suite executive, or anyone interested in trading. Its intuitive interface means you don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to make sense of the market. Don't miss out! Exclusive lifetime deal on AppSumo. Here's the sweet part. OVTLYR's lifetime deal on AppSumo is a steal. For only $79, down from $588, you get lifetime access to this AI trading genius. No codes, no stacking, just a straightforward plan that suits your needs. But hurry, you must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. License Tier 1. A one-time investment for lifetime returns. With the Tier 1 deal, you get unlimited favorites, buy and sell signals, email notifications, coverage of over 1,600 stocks and ETFs, and so much more. All these are for a one-time purchase of $79. 6 features that set OVTLYR apart. OVTLYR stands out from the crowd with its unique features. Here are the top 6. Clear buy-sell signals. No more guesswork. Get precise signals for trading. Daily curated watch list. Stay updated with bullish and bearish stocks every day. Price trajectory forecast. Predict future prices with the simple blue line indicator. Investor behavior heat map. Visualize market sentiment with color-coded charts. Intuitive interface. User-friendly for beginners and pros alike. Active trading rooms. Led by pros for you to learn and grow. Who can benefit from OVTLYR? OVTLYR is for anyone who wants to trade smarter, not harder. Accountants. For precise financial forecasting and market analysis. C-suite executives. To make informed investment decisions for their companies. Consultants. Offering enhanced financial advice with AI-backed insights. Beginner traders. Simplifying stock market entry with intuitive tools. Seasoned investors, enhancing their trading strategies with advanced AI signals. Freelancers in finance, to stay ahead in a competitive market. Grab an extra 10% off from AppSumo. Excited about OVTLYR? Here's how you can save even more. Visit AppSumo's OVTLYR lifetime deal page. Look out for a pop-up offering an extra 10% off. Enter your email address and enjoy additional savings. Real reviews, real success. Don't just take my word for it. Check out these real user reviews complete with screenshots and enthusiastic feedback. OVTLYR's lifetime deal is a game changer for anyone navigating the unpredictable world of stock trading. The exclusive AppSumo deal, offering lifetime access for just $79, is a steal that shouldn't be missed. Activate your license within 60 days and join the ranks of those trading smarter, not harder with OVTLYR. So are you ready to make your trading journey a success story with OVTLYR? Head to the description, check out the details, and grab this lifetime deal while you can. Remember, if you find this review helpful, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more insightful tech tutorials and reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading with OVTLYR.